Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your password. Here you can see I am in the login page. Now let's say I want to log in as, let's say I forgot my password as user. So I can actually click here, forget your password. So it will actually took me to this, this page, and then we have to go for the .env. So you will find .env here. You can see .env, and here we have to go for the mail. So search here mail, you will find mailer. Here you can see mailer, and here we have to actually change something here, right? So we have here mailer, so we can actually say here smtp. You have to say here smtp, and then here in the host you have to say smtp.gmail.com, and here we have to give a port number. So we have dedicated port for it, and this is the port. Here you can see 465. So 465. Okay, cut it and paste it here. And then username, so the username will be, let's say, where actually I want to I want actually for here I will actually mention my Gmail, which Gmail actually I want to actually use to reset password. So here I'm going to say ahmedtanvi@gmail.com, and then we'll actually set here a password. So this password is not this email password, okay? So this is app password. So what I have to do, we have to actually go for, okay, so one more thing is we have to actually change it also with this email. So here I'm going to copy it, and let's change here. Now password will be from the app password. So what I have to do, we have to actually go for the Gmail, okay? And here you can see if I go to the manage your Google account, then I'll go for the security. So guys, here you can see there is no such an option for the app password. Actually search here through this URL, myaccount.google.com/app passwords, okay? Then directly you can access it. Here you can see. So now I will actually add app name, let's say test message. Then I will create it, and here you can see this is the password I have to copy. Then done. Now let's go back to the code editor, and here we are going to actually set here the password. So now we have to remove the space from it. So let's go remove all the space. Done. Now we can actually reset our password, okay? So first of all we have to say smtp, then smtp.gmail.com for the host, and port number is 465, and then username is your Gmail, and then the password is, you can get a password through app password from the email, right? And then from email address, from where actually the message will be message will be sent. Here you can see ahmedtanvi.edu@gmail.com, okay? Now let's go and check if it is working or not. So let's go back to our code, and here I'm going to refresh. Now here I'm going to say this email, and if I say email password reset link, and here we can find the user that email address. Okay guys, I haven't actually registered through this email, right? Here you can see what I have to do. I have to actually say here, let's say I want to change the email, ahmedtanvi.edu@gmail.com. Now it will work. If I go here, now if I refresh, now here you can see we have email your password recently. Now let's go to the Gmail. So I'll actually go directly through this Gmail, and here we will actually find updates. Here you can see reset password notification, right? So if I click here, then here you can see we have the email, and then now we can actually give here new password. Let's say, okay, here you can see password has been reset, right? Now I can actually enter the password, new password here, let's say. So here you can see now I can actually access the dashboard, right? Okay guys, so this is how actually you can reset password. Thank you so much for watching.